Hello and welcome back to Complete Agriculture, the YouTube channel where we uncover the fascinating processes behind the fruits and vegetables we eat. So today we are diving deep into the world of peanut farming. From tiny seeds to delicious snacks, let's explore the incredible journey of peanuts. Peanuts, also known as groundnuts, are a staple in diet around the world. They are packed with protein, healthy fat, and essential nutrient. But how do these humble nuts make their way from the soil to our table? Let's start the very beginning, seeding, right? Planting peanut seeds is the first crucial step in the peanut agriculture process. Farmers begin by preparing the soil in the spring. The soil needs to be well tilled and enriched with organic matter and fertilizer to ensure it's nutrient rich. Once the soil is ready, peanut seeds are planted about 1.5 to 2 inches deep, with a row spaced approximately 3 feet apart. The soil temperature should be around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees centigrade for optimal germination. After planting, the growing season begins. Peanuts take about 4 to 5 months to mature. During this period, farmers may carefully monitor their crop for pests and diseases. They also need to provide sufficient water after using irrigation system to ensure the plants receive consistent moisture. Regular field inspection and timely intervention help maintain a healthy crop. One of the most unique aspects of peanut farming is the flowering and basing process. About 30 to 40 days after planting, peanut plants are start to flower. These flowers then form pegs, which grow downward into the soil, and it's underground that the peanut actually developed, making peanut quite different from many other crops. When the plant's leaves begin to yellow, it's time for harvesting. Farmers use specialized machines to dig up the peanut plants, shake off the soil, and lay them outside down to dry in the field. This drying process, known as windrowing. The process of drying is known as windrowing. Typically lasts a few days. Is crucial for reducing the moisture content of the peanuts. Once the peanuts are successfully dried, they are transferred and transported for processing facility. Here they are separated from the plants, cleaned, and further dried if necessary. This stage involves several quality control checks to ensure that only the best peanut process to the next stages. Then the factory in the factory, peanuts undergo additional processing to become the products we know and love. Some peanuts are roasted, salted, or flavored to be sold as snacks. Others are ground into peanut butter, pressed for oil, or used as ingredients in various food products. Each step in the factory is meticulously managed and maintain the quality and safety of peanuts. And there you have it. The incredible journey of peanut from seeding to factory processing. It is a complex and fascinating process that ensure we can enjoy peanuts in a multitude of ways. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the peanut agriculture. If you did, please subscribe and leave a comment and share the episode with your friends and family. And thanks for watching Complete Agriculture. Until next time, happy eating.